Hello everyone, this is Amir Safa, Senior FX Consultant at Worldwide Currencies. Today I'm going to talk you through what's happened to the pound, euro and dollar over the course of this week. So firstly onto the pound, it has actually strengthened quite a bit. So the market remains quite quietly optimistic that a Brexit trade talk can be done. Both sides seem intent to intensify talks, so that's a positive sign. The Bank of England also announced an increase of £150 billion worth of quantitative easing to inject the economy with money in order to stimulate it. That was seen as a positive move to help the UK economy during this time that we've got the coronavirus. They also left interest rates unchanged, so there's been a lot of talk about potentially seeing negative interest rates in the UK, so they left it unchanged for the time being, which also gave the pound a little bit of a boost. And then also Chancellor Sunak announced an extension of the furlough scheme until March 2021. So all in all, so far, everything that's come out for the pound this week has been fairly positive, and that's why we've seen it move in the right direction. So onto the euro, it's lost ground against a stronger pound. It's been quite volatile against the dollar as well. It's kind of the least focused on currency out of the three main ones. The focus has really been on the pound and the dollar this week. The European Central Bank, they basically said that they're probably going to take further stimulus measures in December. That weakened the euro, because if there's more euros in the economy, then each euro is worth less. So that euro weakness has kind of carried on into this week, and then the market's kind of almost forgotten about it and focused on the other two currencies. The European Commission also downgraded their forecast for 2021 GDP growth, so that wasn't great either. And German manufacturing data this morning also came out worse than expected. So yeah, overall the euro's been very volatile. It's kind of been at the mercy of the other two currencies this week. Right, so onto the dollar now. This is the most interesting one this week. So we've had the US presidential elections. The results are still to be confirmed. Votes are still being counted at the minute in several key battleground states. So we don't know the kind of exact result yet. However, Biden is in the lead at the minute. And as a result, the market has dented the dollar's safe haven status. So the dollar's weakened against both the pound and the euro this week. Initially, when the exit polls came out and Trump was nearer to Biden than expected, the dollar saw quite a lot of demand due to its safe haven status, due to that political uncertainty. But now it looks more and more likely that Biden is going to win the vote. Obviously, postal votes are still being counted as well, and it's seen that the majority of those postal votes would have been cast by Democrats. So that's only a positive for Biden. Trump has threatened legal action against several states, so expect this whole saga to kind of carry on into next week as well. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.